يا سلام يا سلام، اليوم الكل عنا. رشا ضب الجلي، لولو اجل الجليات، رزانة اشطف الأرض، روانة امسحي، أسامة كب زبالة، همام امسح الغبرة. How can we say these expressions in English? Let's see in this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I'm Hiba from English Language Academy, Palestine. When we talk about household chores, we need these two words: do and make. For example, we say do the dishes. So do means wash or clean. Do the dishes, wash the dishes, or clean the dishes. You can say I'm gonna make lunch. رتبت تختك. Did you make your bed? Did you make your bed? Or you can say تنساش ترتب تختك. Don't forget to make your bed. Dust the furniture. Dust the furniture. This means امسح الغبرة عن الأثاث. Dust the furniture. And to dust the furniture, you can use both duster or a rag. A rag. This is a rag. Dust the furniture. Dust the furniture. This means امسح الغبرة عن الأثاث. I don't have a duster, so let me show you a picture of a duster. This is a duster. You may use it to dust the furniture. When you have lots of dust on the floor, you need a broom to sweep the floor. This is a broom, and you need a dustpan. Sometimes the carpets look dusty, so you need to vacuum the carpets using a vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner. In a British, it's a hoover. Sometimes you need to mop the floor, so you can ask your kids to mop the floor using the mop and the squeegee. And we use the squeegee to squeegee the floor. So it's a noun and a verb. You wash the floor with the broom, and after that you need to use the squeegee. Not always we end up finishing our food. There are sometimes leftovers. Leftovers يعني الأكل اللي بيزيد من ورانا. مش دايما منخلص الأكل. Okay, you can ask your kids to put the food away in the fridge. To put the food away in the fridge. يضب الأكل بالثلاجة. Put the food away in the fridge. Do the dishes. If you don't have a dishwasher, you need to do the dishes by your hands. And don't forget to clean the sink. You have to leave it clean. Whose job is it in your house to take out the trash? Maybe this is something you may do it every day or weekly, I don't know. You take the trash bag out of the trash can and you may put it in the dumpster or in the bin outside. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. ولا ننسى لايك للفيديو لتعم الفائدة على الصغير وحتى الكبير. السلام عليكم.